Samak Mashwi, or charcoal grilled sea bass, is delicious whole white fish that I serve with an amazing dressing. You gotta try it. I'm using Euro Seabass, my favorite. Place a couple on a grilling basket and make 3 slits on one side, flip and do the same. Season the inside with some salt and black pepper. Then stuff each fish with 2 bay leaves, a smashed clove of garlic, a couple slices of lemon, and a bunch of cilantro. Drizzle olive oil on the outside and season with salt and black pepper. Flip over and season the other side, add some ground coriander as well. Close the grilling basket and place over a charcoal grill for 8 minutes total, flipping halfway. To make the dressing, chop onion and add to a mortar. Roughly chop some garlic cloves and add to the mortar as well. Season with some salt and black pepper. Using a pesto, crush into a paste, drizzle the lemon juice and some olive oil and mix well to combine. Your dressing is now ready. The fish has cooked by now. Carefully remove from the basket onto your serving platter. Garnish with grilled lemons, tomatoes and some serranos. Top with the dressing and some fresh cilantro. I am drooling. Try it and let me know what you think.